Get great tasting water with Brita Standard water filter replacement. Switch to Brita and you can save money and replace 1,800 single-use plastic bottles a year. Reduce chlorine, taste odor, mercury, copper, zinc, cadmium. For the best tasting water, replace your water filter after 40 gallons or approximately every 2 months. Compatible with all Brita pitchers and dispensers except stream. Brita water filters are simple to replace with a pull top cap for easy removal. 16.9 ounces water bottle. Keep tap water healthier and tasting better when you regularly change your Brita replacement filter. Made to fit all Brita pitchers and dispensers, this replacement filter reduces copper, mercury and cadmium impurities that can adversely affect your health over time, while cutting chlorine taste and odor to deliver great tasting water. Designed to leave no black flecks in your water and with no pre-soak required, the Brita filters are quick and easy to use. Change your Brita filters every 40 gallons or approximately 2 months for best performance. Start drinking healthier, great tasting water with Brita today. Top reviews from the United States. Water tastes like water again. The water in our rental house didn't taste good, so we bought a Brita water filtration system. It works well, and the only drawback I have with it is the weight of the pitcher. Of course, I could have purchased a smaller one, but I would be filling it twice as often. For someone with arthritic hands, the large pitcher is pretty heavy.